Hi everyone, my name is Felipe Veiga. I'm co-founder and CDO at WalliD, and today I'm here to present our newest product, CertiShop, that was developed under the NGI Trust Chain OC2. CertiShop is this platform where organizations can design and issue verifiable certificates in a very seamless and compliant manner. At its core, CertiShop is this platform where you can customize the visuals of your digital certificates by designing or importing designs from your favorite tools. On the back end, CertiShop aggregates the most reliable decentralized ID protocols, ensuring your certificates have a verifiable stamp of authenticity and can't be tampered with. This also ensures your certificates are legally binding and future-proof, conforming to the European latest regulations and standards. CertiShop is aimed at organizations that are sources of truth for their communities, and its use cases span from certificates of origin, academic diplomas, membership credentials, electronic tickets, healthcare attestations, or driving licenses. CertiShop is available for users with no coding or designing experience through our web app, and for developers who wish to integrate our features into their workflow through our comprehensive API. So let's jump right into the platform and start by signing up. I will be role-playing as an organization called WalliD Community. So if I go into my organization profile, I can see that a deed has been already created on the blockchain for my organization. So the next step is to create my first certificate template. So I have a couple of options here. I can choose a preset design and pretty much just import the logo of my organization and define a few attributes that go into these places that are already defined in the templates we have here. Or I can design the visuals of the certificate from scratch. And we start by defining a name of our certificate template, and then defining a format for the certificate and importing an image as a background. Moving on to the attributes section, there are two types of attributes you can choose. Text are static elements that will appear in all certificates that you issue for this template. And placeholders are the dynamic elements that will change according to the unique recipient of this certificate. Now I will also add the logo of my organization in here and the signature of the president to the template as well. And finally, I'm adding an expiration date that will automatically revoke the certificate once it's reached. Now I'll just click confirm and yeah. The template was successfully created. Now, within the dashboard of this specific template, I can issue certificates, either in bulk, by uploading a file with all the information of all the certificates I want to issue, or manually, where I fill in each certificate data that I've defined previously in the template and issue it to a specific recipient email address. And now role-playing as the recipient, I got the certificate here through a QR code and a link in my email address, and I'm going to store it in my digital ID wallet. But the certificate also comes with a public QR code and link that is embedded into the certificate image that allows anyone to publicly verify the authenticity of this certificate. So that's it for today about CertiShop. Thanks a lot for staying with us, and sign up for a free trial right now in our website.